What is up, everyone? I'm Jeff Teague, Raleigh, North Carolina, but not today. Today we're on location in Nashville and we're testing out the 2023 Toyota Crown. But no, not just the Crown, because we're testing out the XLE. This is the base entry level. We have XLE, Limited, and Platinum. We're raising the roof with the Platinum. But here's the goal. We're gonna see just how much equipment is standard on the XLE, the base entry level Crown. This is oxygen white. It has black interior. That's right, I'm talking about this interior right here. Fancy. Let's look in the back. We're gonna find out. We're on an adventure. It's like Dora the Explorer, except for instead of waterfall, castle, magic rock, we have Crown XLE standard features. This reminds me very much of Toyota Venza in the way that Venza, the base entry level, had so much equipment standard on it that a lot of people just couldn't believe it. Look at that oxygen white just popping in the sun. It's popping. So we're walking around here, then we're gonna find out what comes with it stock from the old factory. Toyota Crown is considered a premium full-size sedan with a little height to it and a lot of features. So what are we gonna expect here standard on an XLE? Well, you're gonna get these LED high beams, low beams, LED daytime running lights. You'll also get Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, so it's the latest evolution of Toyota Safety Sense. Look at this beautiful hood. Look at the lines, simplistic but bold. They in your face. All right, down here we've got the lower silver metallic accent, gloss black. So we've got the big gloss black grille. It's actually quite futuristic. It looks like a kit car or something like that. Ground clearance, 5.8 inches. And just take a look at this sleek aerodynamic profile. Does it scream luxury? Does it call out sportiness? Maybe a little bit of both. So what we've got here, we've got standard 19-inch two-tone alloy wheels, gloss black and metallic silver. Really gorgeous. What about these tires? 225, 55R, 19. Then we've got this gloss black accent all the way along here. This has smart key push button start standard, which means it has the auto lock, auto unlock, just like that. It also has power folding side mirrors. Not only that, but it has standard blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert. Let's show those power. Woo! Woo! Blind spot in the house, power folding mirrors in the same house. Boom. Right there where you need it to give you that second opinion that the coast is clear. And yes, we need to discuss the LED turn signals as well. In the back, we've got LED taillights, LED stoplights that wrap around nicely, nice and smooth, nice transition there. And then just look at these interesting lines here. It's really unique. And this is one reason why Toyota Crown is sort of in a class all by itself, because it sits up high like a crossover would, has all-wheel drive on it. That is the electronically controlled on-demand all-wheel drive. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then here we've got our backup camera with the Toyota symbol. Let's open this up. Shapow. All right, 15.2 cubic feet of cargo space. Has a temporary spare tire, and to lower the seats, you want to pull the pins. Cut the blue cord. Wait, don't cut the blue cord. And let's look underneath here if I can get to it. We're gonna do this one-handed, and we're gonna stay here as long as it takes. Whatever it takes. Here we go with the temporary spare. This is a 17-inch, so you'll certainly want to change it as soon as humanly possible. And here, you're wondering how to jump start it. It's right there. All right, so look here, we've got a lot of space in the back here. We can stretch out, we can recline. I feel like these seats are so plush, they're so comfortable. Even if it's the fabric with the Softex surround, it reminds me of a lush couch that you get, like a lazy boy. Like, I'm a lazy boy right now. Look at me. I might be lazy. It's happening. It's happening. Then we've got here, this is a little bit firmer. Oh yeah, oh, this is nice. Stop looking at my gut. Here's what we've got. We've got 38.9 inches of rear seat legroom, 37.5 inches of rear seat headroom. So with the seat more back, more forward, we've got room to stretch out and chill. So what's standard? We've got soft touch materials in all the right places. Looking for love in all the right places. Looking for love. I know that's not how the song goes, but that's how I sing it. We've got seat pockets. That's standard. We've also got rear air vents, 2 USBs in the back. Look at those screens. Nice. Now we're going to come over here and look at this. I already tried it on the Limited. That is so squishy and plush. Baby Yoda would sit here and not move. I'm telling you, so comfortable. Just gotta give him a shifter ball. All right, comes with child safety latches standard. Also comes with the tethers standard. Let's look on in here. Big sport bottle holders here. Again, more soft touch materials. We do have a power passenger seat. That's on the base XLE. That's impressive. And then this is 8-way, so it twists and pulls and goes up and goes forward, goes back. If you're looking to see what you could put in the glove box, well, that's in the way, but you could put a shimmy, a shim, wow. All right, the take-home message here, the seats really are more comfortable than you think they're gonna be. Even at the fabric seats, you know, most of it is fabric, but with the soft tech surround, I'm just so impressed. I'm so blown away that it's that comfortable. 8-way power seat with lumbar support. Then we've got the little metallic, almost like a bronzy accent right there. It's kind of interesting. Style choice. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Steering wheel controls. We've got brightness. We've got trip information. All right, we got fuel door, and we've got the back hatch, the back trunk. All right, here we go. We can fit a USB-A in there. We can fit a 12-volt circular. We've got some charging cables, yada, 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 yada. Here we go on the information pad. We're gonna scroll over and see what kind of information we can get to. We've got information on the left. The fuel numbers don't have that yet. There's your all-wheel drive, so you can tell what the torque distribution is. I'll talk about that shortly. Now we're gonna scroll down the center part of it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the left side of it, and we'll just scroll down to see what we can get. The miles per gallon is not released yet, so I'm not gonna be giving you that information right now. I'll be giving you that closer to the 25th. Plan on the 25th. That's when you can see my review. So, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, remember, it's advanced. We got different driving modes too. So we can go to Sport, and Normal, and Eco and Teal. Which color do you like the best? Which one do you like the best? I want the truth. You can't handle the truth. It's got brake hold, electronic parking brake, EV for short distances and low speeds, can work in all electric. And then we just kind of move this little thing around like you would a Prius to get into the right gear. This one does not have standard 360 camera. That'll start at the Limited with the advanced technology package, but we do have heated seats. Nice, you just kind of tweak right here, tweak right here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then up here, we've got the 12.3-inch screen. This is Toyota Audio Multimedia. So we can go here and look, we've got a volume knob. Standard. We can go to FM radio. You can go to Sirius XM. You can go to music. If I want pop or soda, just kidding. But you can go here. We can scroll, go to Disney Hits, Camp Rock, Mitchie. Then we can go to, yeah, I watched it. Then we got a phone that we can pair. We can pair 2 smartphones at the same time. And you can change information about your vehicle just like that. Comfort, what can we do? Well, we can adjust our seats. Let's go back. Trip information, history. Ho, look at that, 560 miles right now. And it's almost full tank of gasoline. Energy flow, that tells you when you're using electric, when you're using gasoline, when you're recharging the battery. Vehicle alerts, that tells you if you've got something going on that you want to have checked. Settings, remember you can pair 2 phones at the same time. You can set up different user profiles. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wireless charging pad, vertical. Ho! So we've got 5 USBs. Remember that USB A is in the center console. We've got 2 right here that are C's, 2 in the back that are C's. So up here, we've got auto dimming rear view mirror with home link. Lights. Let there be light. Yeah, there is light. So let it be, oh, let it be. Got a slider. These seats really are so comfortable. I've never seen fabric seats this plush. So here we go. Let's check this out. Put our prop rod in and talk about this 2.5 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine. Produces 236 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque, matched with an electronically controlled CVT transmission. Suspension. This has independent McPherson struts with stabilizer bar in the front. Multi-link rear suspension with stabilizer bar in the back. These are all-wheel drive, both the XLE and the Limited. They have the electronically controlled on-demand all-wheel drive system, so it can distribute power where it needs it most, and it does that in a torque distribution from 100% in the front, 0 in the back, to 20 in the front, 80 in the back, depending on whether you have slippery surfaces, whether you're driving in the snow, mud, rain, all that kind of jazz, or you want to just tear it up, right? Either way, it can do it for you. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. Please hit subscribe, join the channel. I'm on Instagram and TikTok at Toyota Jeff Reviews as well. See you next time.